Kona. Have you ever dreamed of going to the amazing coast of Hawaii, where amazing people do incredible things meet? Would you like to discover Kona? Are you one of those incredible entrepreneurs, travelers, sport lovers, or creative people? We have created an innovative solution so you can transport yourself there, wherever you are. We present you the Kona Backpack. Innovative, versatile, and ergonomic. It all started with a careful design phase by hand, which for months was refined with virtual reality programs and hard tests to verify the capabilities of the backpack and to reach the final design. 3 colors: green, gray, and black. Even with all our design work, we still did not have enough. We want to transport you to Kona, that you feel in your day that you're carrying a part of it. It includes flexible parts created using 3D printing technology, such as the front pocket, which simulates the pattern of a Kona palm tree. That makes us pioneers in the implementation of 3D printing on backpacks. It has a side zipper to get your laptop or notebook quickly without having to open the backpack. We have included a magnetic lock so that closing and opening the backpack is instantaneous. It has a completely adjusted side pocket to carry objects or drinks, specially designed for days at the office or for small weekend getaways. The Kona Backpack is very spacious, can fit up to 30 liters, but if you want to use less, you can adjust the capacity to your needs with the roll top. We have worked in depth on the comfort and ergonomics of the backpack. You can wear Kona for hours and hours without feeling strain. A backpack that you can use during a hike, a long trip, or commuting to work. The inside of the backpack is padded and divided into large and small compartments, so you can keep each and every one of the things that accompany you on a daily basis. A team of 6 people has developed this backpack from different parts of the globe in order to get you in the Kona mindset. Join the Kona Backpack community. Be part of this project.